everybody, it's me, Della, with eXp Realty. Thanks for checking out Della's Corner today. I am real excited about my newest listing. This is a Wisteria model. It's a classic home series for on top of the world, and we are in the neighborhood of Weybourne Landing. Classic home series are also located behind the gates in the maintenance-free. What's really nice about Weybourne Landing, it's all fee simple. You own the land, and you get curbside mail and curbside garbage. This home is so lovely. It has so many beautiful upgrades. It has a sunroom, which is really nice, and it's got pavers in the back. So many upgrades. I think you're gonna really like it. It shows just like a model. In Weybourne Landing, it has its own amenities, kind of like Indigo East has its own amenities. You have a swimming pool, you have pickleball, you have a fitness center, all kinds of things, and we'll definitely roll at the end all the nice amenities here. Now, if you want to use amenities inside the gates, of course you have to pay. It's about $75 extra a month for that. Okay, let's go take a look at this beautiful wisteria. That's a wrap for me today here at Della's Corner. Thanks for checking out this beautiful wisteria over in Weybourne Landing in on top of the world. This home is over 2,200 square feet. It's got a beautiful sunroom, and like all of my listings, I roll a banner at the very end so you can see all the beautiful upgrades and all this home has to offer, square footage, HOA. I'll roll all that at the end. This home is for sale by the original owners. So they actually built this house. There's a lot of detail here. This home does show like a model, and there's a lot of privacy. In the backyard, there is an access road, but it's very quiet, and you've got the woods. For now, we pretty much know that's gonna stay. I used to work here on top of the world. It's been an access road for a while, but it is super quiet over here. If you have any questions about this model or any other listing here on Top of the World, please give me a call. All of my information is at the end of the video. And please make sure you click subscribe to the channel because that way you can see all of my videos. Don't forget to give me a call. This is a beautiful wisteria and I look forward to hearing from everybody. Have a great day. The video of this home speaks for itself, but take a look at the long list of all the beautiful upgrades that have been done to this wisteria. Please keep in mind this home is move-in ready. You don't have to wait to build, and to build this house now would cost you a lot more money. Thanks for watching, everybody, and please remember to hit subscribe and the bell icon so you can see all the videos that I currently have, and I've got a whole bunch more coming up. I even have a video of Weybourne Landing, boots on the ground, coming at you.